Stihl 251 chainsaw. No compression when pulling start rope.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Stihl chainsaw? How old is it?
Stihl 251 chainsaw. No compression when pulling start rope.
How long has this been going on with your Stihl chainsaw? What have you tried so far?
Cleaned and reassembled yesterday. Used last WK. Now no compression.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
New plug. New rope. Should be ready to start.
Hello, I'm Sean, Home Pro. I've been helping homeowners with maintenance, repairs and improvements for over 30 years, and I appreciate the opportunity to help with your inquiry. I'm sorry to hear you are having trouble with your chainsaw. Hopefully we can quickly resolve the issue. There are not many reasons for a two-stroke engine to have no compression. There are not a lot of moving parts compared to a four-stroke. With test equipment, the problem could easily be diagnosed, but there are some things you can do to diagnose without testers. Broken piston rings, remove the spark plug and squirt a little motor oil in the spark plug hole, reinstall the spark plug and check for compression. If this raises the compression, then the indication is bad piston rings. The oil being in the cylinder will temporarily seal the gap between the piston and the cylinder, as the rings are supposed to do. Hole in the top of the piston caused by overheating. Visually inspect the spark for signs of excessive heat. A white colored or melted plug electrode are signs of overheating. On some engines, you can shine a light through the spark plug hole while slowly turning the engine, and actually see the top of the piston. If there is a hole burned through the piston, it is usually near the spark plug. Overheating with a two-stroke is typically caused by too lean a fuel mixture. Blown or leaking head gasket. Remove the spark plug and turn the engine slowly until the piston is all the way at the top of its stroke. Remove the recoil with the pull cord and hold the flywheel to keep the motor from turning. Blow compressed air into the spark plug hole to see if it leaks out from the head gasket. Use low air pressure for safety. If the head gasket is leaking, it shouldn't take any more than about 10 pounds per square inch to reveal the leak. Too much air pressure could cause the engine to start turning and be dangerous, so be careful. I hope this information satisfactorily answers your question. Please let me know if you have further questions regarding this issue. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.